Really want to recite the words of Dr. Howard Thurman, who was a theologian, who was anchored in San Francisco, and was also the architect in many ways, and worked with Dr. King. But Dr. Thurman would always say these words: keep fresh before us the moments of our high resolve. Whether in good times or in tempest, let us not forget that to which our lives are committed. Keep fresh before us the moments of our high resolve. Amen. Amen. I really want to thank all the folks that are out here today, and particularly the Bayard Rustin Coalition, for keeping the high resolve, because that's what this is really all about. It's about remembering who we are and whose we are and where we come from, so we can sing the freedom songs of the ancestors and sing the freedom songs of the ancestors with the same passion and the same vigor that they did. You know, it was Frederick Douglass who said, "Power concedes nothing without a demand. It never has and it never will." We've got to remember that. And as we celebrate and remember the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington, we know that we've got a lot to do. But we can't stand by idly. We have all got to take our place. Find our righteous place and bring our whole selves to the movement. Bring all of who we are, as Bayard Rustin did, whether we're black or white, gay or straight, old or young. Bring all of who we are and be of service to the cause of justice. Because it really is about economic justice. It's about housing justice. It's about racial justice. It's about healthcare justice. It really is about justice. How can we be of service to justice today? And I think that's the question we should ask ourselves as we celebrate and remember this. How can I be of service to justice today? How can I be of service to justice today? And that's what this is really all about. Being of service to justice. Being of service to our brothers and sisters who may have a little more or a little less than we have, so we can sing the freedom songs. And out of the tradition I come in, when folks are in church, everybody has a song to sing. And I'm no different. I've got a song I want to share with you, and I want you to catch this, because I believe it with all my heart. And it goes simply like this: we who believe in freedom cannot rest. We who believe in freedom cannot rest until it comes. That's it. That's it. But can you try that with me? We who believe in freedom cannot rest. We who believe in freedom cannot rest until it comes. We who believe in freedom cannot rest. We who believe in freedom cannot rest until it comes. I want to thank Sweet Honey in the Rock for that, and thank all of you. God bless you.